tornado emergency for Taylorville. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Central Christian County in central Illinois until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Taylorville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Taylorville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Taylorville around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Stonington around 5:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Willeys, Taylorville Airport, and Sharpsburg. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.